Hope you're having a great day. And I was trying to use my iPad mini earlier where I was trying to listen to one of my videos, but the problem was it kept saying headset, and I didn't have a headset plugged into the headset jack. So tried a number of different things, but nothing seemed to work. I reset the iPad mini, I turned it on and off. That didn't work, and I finally called support, and one of the things they suggested that somebody tried was taking a Q-tip, and I did take most of the cotton off, and I put that into the headset jack for about 10 seconds, and it worked like a charm. And what probably happened is that moisture got into the headset jack area, but that seemed to resolve my situation. So if you're trying everything possible, but you haven't tried that yet, do that and see if that works. So moisture probably tricked the system thinking that there is now a headset in the jack when there's not, and this luckily resolved my issue, and I'm happy, and I hope this issue may help you get resolved as well using a good old Q-tip. So anyway, just wanted to share this tip with you. If you have any comments, questions, or you've tried other things that have worked for you, feel free to leave those comments as well. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.